Hello guys, welcome to Verdie's channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my Outre synthetic half wig. I got this wig off of Amazon. I believe it was... So this is how the wig looks like. I got this wig in the color DR30 and it has, as you can see, dark roots and ombre highlights and the curls in the end. This wig is beautiful and I'll show you how I style it. So this wig has two security combs, one in the front and another in the back, right there. I'm going to go ahead and pin this directly onto my hair. You don't have to. You can use a wig cap and then pin it onto the wig cap. So, all done. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll be looking out for your comments in the comment section as well.